Welcome back to J4 Astrophotography, and today I will be showing you how to edit the Horsehead and Flame nebula using the free programs DeepSkyStacker and Siril. Stay tuned. First, go to DeepSkyStacker and click Open Picture Files. This is where you can select your light files and import them into the program. Next, you will go to Dark Files and import your dark files. Do the same steps with flat and bias files. Once you have imported your photos, go to Registered Checked Pictures. Make sure Stack After Registering is turned off and then select OK. This process may take a few minutes. Once you have registered your images, click Stack Checked Pictures. Click Stacking Settings and select Standard Mode. Enable 2x drizzle only if you dithered in between each frame. Next, go to the Light tab and select Kappa Sigma Clipping. For darks, select Median and do the same for flat and bias frames. Leave everything else on the default settings. Locate the Output tab. Make sure Create Output File is checked and select the folder you would like to save your image to. Turn off the Reduce Worker Threads priority to stack faster. Select OK, and then OK again. Begin stacking your images. This process may take a long time depending on your computer. Once your image has finished stacking, you may notice that it is lacking detail. This is only temporary, and we will bring this detail out when processing in Siril. Select Save Picture to File and save your image if you haven't already. Now, open Siril. Import your image by clicking the Open button and going to the file where your image is located. Select Open. Select Auto Stretch, and this will show you some of the data located in your image. The image has not yet changed, this is only temporary. Select Geometry and rotate your image to your liking. Next, go to Tools and then Astronomy and select Image Plate Solver. Enter the name of your image, and in this case that is IC434. Select it and enter the focal length of your lens and the pixel size of your camera. Next, go to Color Calibration and select Photometric Color Calibration. Select OK, and this will apply proper coloring to your image. Resize your window to get a better view. Next, go to Background Extraction and select Generate. Right-click with your mouse cursor to remove points that fall over any nebulous regions or bright stars in your image. Increase your smoothing to smooth out your background, and raise your grid tolerance to select the majority of the background. Select Compute Background. Click Apply, and you should notice that your image looks a lot more vibrant and detailed than before. Remember that your image is still in a linear format, and this auto stretch does not represent how your image currently looks. Go to the Image Processing tab, select Filters, and then Noise Reduction. Check Remove Salt and Pepper Noise, and then click Apply. This will reduce the overall noise within your image. Redo and undo to see the changes that occurred in your image. Next, crop out most, if not all, of your image processing artifacts. Right-click inside the box and then crop. Remember, your image is still linear. To fix this, we go to Stretches, Histogram Transformation, and slide your mid-tone slider to right before the large spike in your histogram. Do this once more, and slide the black slider to the other side. This is called stretching your data. Continue sliding your mid-tone and your dark slider to both sides of the histogram. Make sure you do not go directly into the histogram, as this will clip your data. While you do this, you'll notice your histogram spike has widened. Next, go to Curves Transformation and apply an S-curve. Move your dark tones down and your highlights up. Go to Color Saturation and play around with the saturation tool. Lowering this amount will decrease the overall color in your image, and raising it will do the opposite. Play around with these sliders until you are satisfied with your image. Next, go back to Histogram Transformation and play with the histogram until you are happy with how your image looks. Go back to Background Extraction, deselect your nebulous regions, and recompute background to ensure that you have properly removed the background gradient. Go to Stretches, Curves Transformation. Perform another S-curve, slightly lowering the values within the histogram, lightening the highlights and lightening the midtones. Save your image as your desired file type. Name your image and save it as your desired file type. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed or even learned something from this video. Tune in to part 2B to learn how to process using PixInsight, which is a paid software. Until next time, clear skies.